All right, so in this video, I have a pair of sneakers that I voted for, and I got them sent to me from my friend Lena. And you can see it says, "Hi, Korean friend, enjoy." So let's go ahead and get into it. What is going on, guys? Hass here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Today, I want to show you guys the Air Max 97 OA for on air and GS for the person that designed this shoe. Here is the stock card that comes with it, which is pretty dope. You can see the neon on the Korean flag inspiration here, and then a little bit more information here that is written in Korean, which I don't know how to read because I actually can't speak Korean, but I am from Korea, and I was adopted when I was a wee little. So it's kind of dope to see something from the country representing the Nike logo on it like this. So this is the Air Max 97. These were designed by Gwang Shin. If that's not how you say your name, I apologize for butchering it. But this is actually the one that I voted for from the on-air competition. And if you guys did not know, I already did a video on the Tokyo pair because that was the other pair that I got. And those ones are the one I actually hit on. Sneakers, these I struck out on. So my friend Lena was actually the one that was able to look out for me, and she got me my size, which I can't thank her enough because I struck out. Prices are not super high on them though, so that is a good thing. You can see it says Seoul on the tongue of this one here. But it's the one that I thought looked the craziest because of that wild looking neon blue and pink. And then the Nike Swoosh sign on the side. I just thought these looked so fresh. And it was definitely a shoe that I needed to get. And I would have bought these at resale if I had to. But luckily I didn't have to. But I went over what the Nike on-air collection is in the other video. Basically, there were just 6 cities that were chosen, and we all got a vote. And this is the one that won from Korea and the one that I voted for. I just thought it looked, again, super, super dope. And I'm not even a huge fan of the Air Max 97, but the execution on this one I thought looked really good. In hand, it's interesting because the materials don't scream like that they're super, super dope, but it is a really nice looking shoe. I want to check one thing though. Just as I thought, that upper actually is reflective all the way around the trim. So that's kind of a nice little plus. You could see that there's extra layers of reflective. There's a look at it normally, and there's a look at it with all the reflective glory. The swoosh is reflective as well as the laces, which is kind of cool. So this material right here feels like kind of like a fake leather, honestly. And then you have the reflective here, and then an interesting looking material here. It's kind of like a metallic silver white material. Then you have that plastic neon blue, and then the pink as well that lines around the shoe. You do have a neon sign with a Nike swoosh on this one, and then the Seoul for Seoul Korea on the other one. And then you can see the Nike swoosh in the backdrop of some Korean font, and then the other insole says Seoul. So I thought the branding was really on point. I love the way that they executed it. The inside here does have a pink embroidered swoosh, and the other one does have pink. That's probably the only miss that I see. I thought one should be pink, one should be blue, just because that's what they do on the bottom of the shoe. You have pink and you have blue. And it would have been cool to see this neon in blue and then one in pink also, just to try to mix it up as much as you can. I mean, you could have even done one of these in pink and one in blue, but it is what it is. I think all in all, the uniform look of the execution was really nice. On the back of the shoe, it does say Air Max on one, and then there is a Korean symbol on the other one. So that's kind of a fun little addition as well. But all in all, I think that this Air Max 97 looks really dope. I think this is the one that I want to say most people were looking forward to. You guys correct me in the comment section. So it seems like the Shanghai one was the one that most people are after now, but this is one that I thought was my favorite for sure, just from the first images, and I knew this is the one that I needed to have. I think that this program that Nike has done is really dope. I like the concept of them being able to choose people around the globe to be able to design their own sneakers and then release them around Air Max Day. I'm pretty sure that this was supposed to be for Air Max Day, but I don't know how these people got selected or what went down. It would have been dope to be a part of something like that. Can you even imagine having the opportunity to co-design your own shoe with like Nike? I mean, I did my own shoe with Saucony, which was amazing experience. They're right there for those that don't know. That is themed after the Technique 1200 turntable. And it was something that really grew my passion for sneakers. So I think all in all, to be a part of this experience would just be amazing. So nice work to everybody that was selected and that got to design their own. Personally, I think that this one is the best of the series, but you guys leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. And did you guys scoop these up or not? Or are you guys trying to just scoop these up to resale and then maybe they didn't go as planned, you didn't get as much as you guys want, or maybe they're bricks, depending. But I'm personally just super excited to get these in the collection. and I'm happy to add these to the sneaker wall behind me. Thank you again, Alina, for looking out to me. Much appreciated. She didn't have to do that, and the fact that she did was just super epic because I thought I was gonna get them, and then it struck out, and then they restocked. I literally got the got 'em screen, and I sent it to her, and then afterwards they're like, "Nah, just kidding." They're like, it just never happened. Like there was a glitch in the sneaker system. And speaking of that, did anybody else have that problem where it said that you got them and then afterwards you didn't get any? I didn't even get a notification that I didn't actually secure a pair. They just ended up not showing up in my confirmed list. So I struck out that way. But happy that I got a pair anyway. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have a great rest of the day. Subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Notification bell to be notified of when the videos go live, and more videos soon. Peace, guys.